Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs. I finally got my Tesla Model Y, guys, and today we're going to show you how to do the Spigen Screen Protector. It's going to be a really quick video on how to do this Spigen Screen Protector on your Tesla Model Y. Alright, so here is the screen protector. I'll put the link in the description where I bought it from, and it was obviously Amazon. This thing wasn't too much. I think it only cost about $40 or so. Alright, so my really good friend Santiago is going to install this for me because he's got steady hands and a good eye. So he's just unpacking everything in the back. This Spigen screen protector does come with an easy install case that you're going to see here. He'll pop that up in just a minute after we clean the glass, and it makes for installing the screen protector really easy. So I sped the video up a little bit. First things first, just go ahead and get the glass really clean like you see he's doing here. And just make sure there's no dust or any kind of fingerprints. Just take your time. Make sure you turn the screen off. And that way you can see, as you can see, he's looking at there with the black on. Make sure everything is nice and clean. Alright, so now, this has a press and slide feature. This is really cool. So you're just going to remove the white paper off, and then there'll be a little clear section you're going to pull off the back, as you'll see in a second. And once you peel that off, you just clip it to the top and then clip it to the bottom, and then swipe the front, and you're good to go. I mean, this makes it really easy. So we're just going to peel this off here, and be careful right here that no dust or fingerprints, or you don't touch the back part of this at all. Just peel this off. Don't touch the sticky part. Make sure your doors are closed, air conditioner's off, nothing's blowing. Just like so. Alright, so now we're just going to kind of angle it at the top. Make sure it's nice and even first. Perfect. Then you just kind of clip it on like that. And then before you touch that, we forgot to do the bottom there, so just make sure the bottom's nice and set. And then you can just go ahead and swipe her away. Swipe right to left, left to right. Just make sure you press. Do it multiple times. And then you basically just want to wait 30 seconds. And then you'll peel off the tape that says remove from here. You'll just peel that off. And then you'll be removing one other piece of film. And the thing is installed. So it's a little earlier than 30 seconds, but we'll peel it off. Here we go. And this tape is pretty rough, so don't worry if it leaves behind residue. You'll be removing a film anyways, so it's not going to get on your screen. You can see it's very hard to remove. Perfect, just like that. And now we'll just go ahead and remove the easy fit right off. And then the one last protective film, we'll just pull that right off. Now you're not done yet. You should be done, but there's a little squeegee that you can use to just go along the edges, make sure there's no bubbles. And it comes with this, and you can just go along the edges, turn the screen off again, and just start to move the squeegee up and down, just making sure you can get all the bubbles out, or if there's any marks or anything like that. So that's the squeegee. We just went along up and down. We just did it regardless, even though there was no bubbles or anything like that, just to get it off the screen. But this screen protector is phenomenal. I've already had it for like a week, so I really like it. And with that said, guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll do many more videos on my Tesla Model Y coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.